Let's get a check of your forecast now. If you're going to be out and about today, here's Alexa.
Yeah, it's going to be a summertime scorcher, above average temperatures. No secret that this week has been a hot streak. And 4 of the last 7 days, we either tied or broke records at the airport in New Orleans. Yesterday, we had a high of 100 degrees. On Monday, we hit 101. Tuesday and Sunday, we came pretty close. The only day that it was like relatively okay outside was Wednesday, when we only hit 95 degrees, when we had some more rain and storms around. The pattern does not really change over the course of the next week. Temperatures will stay in the upper 90s over the next 3 days, and then maybe get down to the mid 90s the rest of the week. We're only talking about a couple degrees here going down, and our rain chances are a little bit lower than I thought they were going to be heading into the next week as well. Temperatures this morning are pretty pleasant. We're in the 80s for the most part, still hanging on to 78 degrees in Galliano, 82 in Slidell, 86 at the lakefront. Feels like temperatures not awful. I mean, the morning is the best part of the day. It's a gorgeous beginning to the day. Clear skies, sunshine, warm and muggy, but it could be worse, and it's going to get worse throughout the day. We'll trend mostly dry. There are some storms well off to our north moving through Arkansas. I think that'll just kind of ride around that ridge of high pressure. Not really talking real rain chances in the forecast today, maybe 10 to 20% at best. Lots of sunshine, clouds building throughout the day, temperatures in the upper 90s, and mostly clear skies on the way this evening. Temperatures stay in the 80s heading into tomorrow morning as well. So our low temperatures are elevated heading into the rest of the week. As we go throughout the next 7 days, they basically stay in the 80s all the way through next weekend. So no relief at night really comes either. High temperatures area-wide, pretty similar to yesterday, upper 90s near triple digits. We might see some record-breaking heat once again. Just depends on what the record is. Today it's 98 at the airport in Kenner. I have a forecast of 99. We might break it again. Baton Rouge might do the same. They might see the triple digits once more heading into the afternoon hours. Feels like temperatures, that's where it really gets you. Probably around 112 to 114 during the afternoon. It is going to be a sweltering Sunday, so if you will be out and about enjoying anything going on, of course, stay hydrated. If you are drinking alcohol, make sure you have lots of water to supplement that. Heading throughout the day, lots of sunshine, clouds will build, maybe a spot shower or storm this afternoon, not much. Monday though, rain chances just bumped up a little more. Couple hit or miss showers and storms might get fired up on your Monday afternoon if you're lucky. So at least the chance does go up heading into the week, but we're talking 20–30% chance at best. And the rain chances are going to stay really largely to our north and to our east this week. So the high pressure heat dome is kind of going to break down, but it's still going to have somewhat of an influence on our weather. The real weaknesses in the atmosphere that allow for the storms to get going are really going to largely stay to our east and to our north. So Tuesday, we can see some scattered rain and storms, not much. And then that is like the reoccurring theme this entire week. It's not until next weekend, early next week, that our rain chances might go up significantly. And we certainly could use the rain since we have these ongoing drought conditions, especially on the South Shore. South of the lake, parts of our river parishes and bayou parishes under that severe drought. Good news is nothing going on in the tropics over the next week. Quick look at that 7-day showing the ongoing heat, but better rain chances, I guess, this week.
We'll take what we can get anywhere we can.
Yeah.